This is an official support letter from the Zimbabwean Ministry of Finance dated 24 March 2025, addressed to the Managing Director of EcoBank Zimbabwe. Sana pina mashoko ari kuda panapa tiona kuti tsamba dzadziramba dzingolika dzizvigananda nematenders anenge achiita emasums anosvika kumameno mamiliyoni mangani kuti wasubscribe like out on the bell tipena pana pamudanyo pamuchinzi. Please forward to all groups so that everyone can see. It is signed by George Guamatanga, who is the Permanent Secretary for Finance and the heart of corruption engine under mnangagwa's corrupt regime. The letter confirms that the Ministry of Finance has reported a legacy debt of $191 million owned by Valley Seeds Private Limited, which is run by Mr. Emerson Mnangagwa's nephew, Temba Ngatazo. EcoBank Zimbabwe has agreed to discount up to $20 million of this amount under a 12-month term loan facility. The ministry guaranteed the repayment and undertook to reduce the legacy debt by $5 million monthly through Valley Seeds account. In the event of any payment delay, EcoBank is authorized to directly debit up to $5 million from a Ministry of Finance account yet at the bank. These are public funds that are being used to pay a debt owed by a private company. This letter places a public guarantee on a private company's debt, committing government resources, that is public funds, to a bank to bank a commercial loan facility for Valley Seeds. This is highly controversial in public finance terms because it tied state funds to a private company without clear public accountability, which is an undeniable act of corruption and cronyism, especially considering the large figures involved in the government's economic struggles. Domashkar kuda panapa zvinzi aiwa panapa vanhu vanouya vachiita self enrichment aiwa use large sums of money. The worst part of it, vanoshandisa public funds mari supposed build our own nation kuti inobhadhara loan repayment ye-private entity. Tuze mafungiro enyu muri kudipa pamusoro pechitiko chipinda kuma section medu. So mafungiro enyu musana subscribe or like, chat on the bell icon.